Hi everyone! Today we're making a quinoa veggie salad for all-day energy. Ready in 15 minutes. Calories: 280 per serving. Protein: 8 grams per serving. Ingredients: before you start, read the ingredients carefully. Add the cooked quinoa to a large mixing bowl. Add cucumber, tomato, red onion, bell pepper, and parsley. In a small bowl, mix olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and black pepper. Pour the dressing over the quinoa and vegetables. Toss everything well until evenly combined. Serve immediately or chill for 15 to 20 minutes for extra freshness. Health benefits: provides long-lasting energy from complex carbohydrates. Rich in fiber for better digestion. Contains plant-based protein for muscle support. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Helps keep you full and satisfied longer. Nutrition: approximately per serving. Calories: 280. Protein: 8 grams. Carbohydrates: 35 grams. Fiber: 6 grams. Fat: 11 grams. If you enjoyed this quinoa veggie salad, give it a try and let me know how it turned out in the comments. Like this video. Share your thoughts below. Share this recipe with friends and family. Subscribe for more healthy, easy, and delicious recipes every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.